Let's take a look at 15. 15 gives us the volume of a cylinder and a formula for it. So the cylinder is represented by the height and the radius. And the formula for the volume is V equals pi r squared h. R is 2b, h is 5b plus 3, and the question is asking what is the volume of the cylinder in terms of b. So let's write that out. We have V equals pi times r squared times h. And we represent r as 2b and h as 5b plus 3. So we want to plug that in, right? We want r to go in here, and we want h to go in here. And so that's a lowercase r. So we have pi times r squared. Well, r is 2b, and all of that is squared. And then that's multiplied by h, which is 5b plus 3. So let's look at this piece first. We're gonna take the pi out for a second so that our operations are a little bit easier to do. So let's leave pi here, and then 2b is multiplied by itself, right? So 2 times 2 is 4. And then b times b is b squared. So we brought down the pi. We have 2b squared, which is 4b squared. 4b squared. And then that whole thing is going to be multiplied by 5b plus 3. So we want to use distributive property. And so distributive property is taking this piece here and multiplying it by this. Well, I know pi is just a number, so couldn't I stick the pi here? I wonder if it'll let me insert that number. Let's see. So we're going to put pi here, right? 4b times pi. And so this whole expression is one piece, and that's going to be multiplied by 5b. So we get 4 pi b squared times, so to not be burdened by that, I would say leave the pi out for a second. So let's forget the pi. Kind of leave it off to the side. You have 4b squared times 5b, and that b's to the first power. And then all of that, you're going to add to 4b squared times 3. So 3 times 4b squared. And so let's not forget that pi. It's still, it's still there. It's still being multiplied by this whole thing here. So 4b squared times 5b to the first power. We have 4 times 5, and that's 20. And that's multiplied by b squared times b to the first power is just b cubed, because we're adding the exponents. So b cubed. And then you want to add all of this to 3 times 4b squared. And so we're just multiplying the exponents. So 4 times 3 is 12, and that's times b squared. We still have pi that we need to distribute. So pi is going to go here after the 20 and here after the 12. So 20 pi b cubed plus 20 pi, or in this case, would it be 12? So 12 pi b squared. And so what is the answer choice that gives us that? So 20 pi b cubed plus 12 pi b squared. So the answer is going to be